Good morning, the students. Welcome you all. Today we will start a new chapter of English grammar. The chapter name is sentences. I think that you are all acquainted about word. What do you mean by word? Word is a group of letter which has a meaning. So here we are going to read sentences. So what do you mean by the term sentences? So sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Which makes complete sense that you will get complete sense from the chapter. So now here you are getting that a written sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. So dear student, you know that here a written sentence, a sentence will start, first letter will be capital letter, afterward you will get at last full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. In a statement and in imperative sentence you will use full stop. In interrogative questions, in interrogative sentences you will use question mark, and in exclamatory sentence you will use exclamation mark. Understand? So now we will see the examples for better understanding. First we have to know that a sentence can be a statement, a question, a command or an exclamation So here you will get the examples. He plays football. He plays a football. It is a statement. This sentence is what? Statement. A statement means which states something, says something about person or thing. So here you are getting he plays football. We are talking about the subject here. He plays football. States something about person or thing. Understand? Statement will be in positive or in negative. Suppose that we are writing and he plays football. We can also write he does not play football in negative. So statement will be in positive sentence, we say also affirmative, and in negative sentence also. Afterward we are coming the next one. Have you switched on the computer? Here you are getting interrogative sentences. Two sentences are here. One will be known as yes no type. Yes no type questions. Yes no type will start with helping verbs. Suppose that all the helping verbs will be here. You can use the helping verbs if any sentence starts with helping verb, and afterward at last you will use question mark. It means that it is an interrogative sentence, yes no type questions. In yes no type questions you will get helping verbs is, am, are, was, were, will, shall. Understand? Has, have, had, and all the modal verbs will, would, may, might, could, can, could. You can use to ask questions in starting. It will be known as yes no type questions. And next one is WH word questions. WH word questions will start with WH words. WH questions with WH word it will be started with WH word. What, where, when, why, whom, whose, such type of words will be used in starting. Afterward you will get helping verbs, then subject, main verb, object and other. This will be the pattern. So here in yes no type you will get helping verbs in starting and WH word will be in starting and afterward helping verb then main verb. So this is the pattern of WH word and yes no type questions. Next one is imperative sentence, which we also say according to your book it is given command. In imperative sentence expresses command, request, suggestion, advice, warning. Understand? So you will get these in imperative sentence. Here it is open the door, it is a command, it is known as a command, open the door. Understand? How useful, the next one is how useful the computer is. The next one is exclamation. The next one is exclamation. Exclamatory sentence ends with exclamation mark. And dear student, you know that exclamatory sentence start with what or how. What and how, these words will be used in starting, and afterward you will not get helping verbs. It expresses, exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling of hurt, emotion, especially surprise, wonder you will get in this type of sentence. So how useful the computer is. Here you are getting in at last helping verb in the sentence, and starting you will get how or what. It will express sudden feeling of hurt, emotion. Understand? So now we will discuss each and every term one by one. Now see here, statements are called declarative or assertive sentences. So you can say that statements will be known as declarative or assertive sentences. They end with a full stop. You have to know that they end with a full stop. So look at the example, I eat an apple. And statements that says something about someone or something. Questions are also called interrogative sentences. Questions are also known as interrogative sentences, and you know that when it will start with helping verb it will be known as yes no type questions, and when it will start with WH word it will be known as the WH word questions. So do you read English? Yes no type. Why do you play tennis? WH word type questions. Next one, commands. Commands can be called imperative sentences. They usually end with full stop, and you know that they usually end with a full stop. Interrogative sentences end with question mark, and here imperative sentence end with a full stop, and you also say it commands. So in imperative sentence you know that expresses command, request, suggestion, advice, warning. So we are going to give the examples for better understanding. Here you are getting, for example, improve your spelling, advice. Improve your spelling, here you are getting advice. Suggestion, also you can say that have an ice cream, offer. It is an offer. Third one is mind the steps. Mind the steps, warning, warning. Take your medicine on time, advice. You are getting here advice. Shake well before use, instructions. So you will get in imperative sentence command, order, request, suggestion, advice. Understand? Order also. Suppose that I am teaching you, if I am telling you, suppose you are in the classroom and I am telling don't talk, so it will be an order. Understand? Next one is exclamation. Exclamation can be called exclamatory sentences, and you know that exclamatory sentences ends with exclamation mark. Understand? Exclamation mark. So here you are getting the example. For example, what an enjoyable evening, marks of exclamation you are getting here. So I hope that you have understood all this clearly. Thanks for watching the video. And dear student, you have to complete the exercise from the chapter by yourself in your book. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.